What's up guys? I'm about to rip both of my front O2 sensors out because I got a code saying that one of them is bad. So what I'm going to do is rip it out, give it a very thorough cleaning because this car has the smog and the EGR system deleted, and it's very possible that these O2 sensors are so gunked up that they're not working properly anymore. So I got my special tool right here that's able to slip over the wires and then get onto the nut. If you don't have this, you should be able to make a 12-inch adjustable wrench work. However, it's definitely not going to be too advisable because, and especially on a car from '94, these things are so rusted in there that it's very possible to strip it with that. About 6 hours ago, I started hitting these O2 sensors with some PB Blaster, and that's allowed it to start penetrating in there and be able to soften it up so that hopefully these things don't snap in half or strip whenever we go to remove it. Let's get to it. That PB Blaster made that real easy. I'm gonna unplug it. Probably should have done that first. Oh yeah. That's yummy. So as you can see, our PB Blaster works beautifully because these threads are coated in it, and it would not have came off nearly as easily without that. So let's get these things cleaned up.